Hello, I'm Ted Gribble with 5G Consulting, and I get asked a lot of different questions around dairies, and one of the ones I've been getting a lot lately is about forced vent barns. And people have this notion that air quality is a problem in these forced vent barns, and I just want to discuss that for a few minutes. So the fact is, air quality can be a bit of a problem, but if it's properly addressed, there's no reason you can't have good air quality. In fact, some of the best air quality in a forced vent barn. And the first thing you got to look at is, how are you getting your waste out? Are you going to scrape or flush? And if you're flushing, you have the advantage of, like you can see on the screen behind me, that when you flush for about a minute, then afterwards every bit of manure is removed from that barn. If you counter that to scrape, you never get all your manure out. So there's always residual. As you can see in these pictures, you can see behind the scraper, you still have manure left behind. Or even if you're tractor scraping, you never get all that manure out. But if you do a flush system, you can get all of the manure out. Now some people say, yeah, but that recycled water is terrible, has lots of odors. And occasionally that can be true depending on your system setup, but remember, that only lasts a minute or two while you flush, and then after that, you're back to a clean floor. So no matter what, I have seen this again and again, if you scrape your dairy, you may in fact see air quality problems, whereas if you flush it, you fix most air quality problems as long as the rest of your barn is set up properly.